Can you see this? I trace a high heel shoe, and I want to use it for the celebration of my birthday. Using this simple tool from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna cut it. And ta-da! This is it! And I did the same thing with this glitter pink cardboard. And I did 3 pieces. Now, using school glue, I'm gonna paste one in the front and one in the back of the cardboard. Stay with me to the end and don't miss these awesome results. I know you're gonna love it. My favorite part, time to decorate it. I'm gonna use materials from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. Do you like it? Tell me in the comments what is your opinion about this shoe. Are you inspired to do yours bigger and better than mine? I'm gonna continue decorating it because you know I'm a fashion person. Thanks for watching the video to the end, and remember to like or unlike, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!